Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation. Look at this sharp knife. It was restored from a forgotten knife that you'd think should have been thrown in the trash. First, I want to show you the current condition of this knife. It was extremely rusty, old, and missing its handle. As you can see, the blade is covered in a thick layer of rust. To begin the restoration process, I'm placing the rusted knife in a metal tray. Now for a secret weapon in rust removal, baking soda. I'm generously sprinkling it all over the rusty blade. Baking soda is a mild abrasive and can react with acids to help break down rust. Next, I'm pouring Coca-Cola directly over the baking soda and the knife. The phosphoric acid in Coca-Cola, combined with the baking soda, creates a chemical reaction that effectively dissolves rust. I'll let this soak for a while to work its magic. While our knife is soaking, let's get started on the handle. I have a simple wooden dowel here. I'm marking a section of it with a red marker, as this will be the perfect length for our new handle. I'll secure the dowel in a vise to ensure it doesn't move while I cut. I'm using a handsaw to cut along the mark I just made. This will give us the raw material for our handle. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With our cut piece of wood secured vertical in the vise, I'm using a metal square ruler and marker to draw a straight line across its diameter. This line will guide our next cut. Using a hacksaw, I'm carefully cutting along the line I marked. This cut will create a slot for the knife's tang to fit into, ensuring a snug and secure connection for the handle. I'm marking a few more lines on the wood and refining them to create a sturdy handle. Now back to our knife. I'm pulling out of the Coca-Cola and baking soda solution. As you can see, a lot of the heavy rust has loosened. I'm using a folded piece of sandpaper submerged in the solution to scrub off the remaining rust. The liquid acts as a lubricant and helps carry away the rust particles. This step is crucial for achieving that clean, shiny finish. I'm continuing to scrub the entire blade thoroughly. You can already see a significant difference as the dark rust gives way to the cleaner metal beneath. Once I feel it's clean enough, I'll wipe it down with a cloth. Look at that. Much better, don't you think? It's amazing what a little elbow grease and common household items can achieve. Now that the blade is clean, it's time to attach the wooden handle. I'm carefully aligning the prepared piece of wood onto the handle. They fit perfectly into the slot we created earlier. I'm making a mark on the handle where I'll drill holes for the pin. This will ensure our handle is permanently attached. I'm clamping the knife with the wooden handle attached into the vise. Now, I'm going to use the drill to make a precise hole through the mark I've made. A secure handle is essential for safe and effective use. For the pegs, I'm recycling a clothes hanger with wire. It's strong enough for this purpose. I'm cutting a piece to make our custom pegs. This is a great way to reuse materials. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm trimming them to size and making sure they're straight for easy insertion. With the pin ready, I'm inserting them through the holes in the wooden handle and the knife tang. Once they're in place, I'll secure them by gently hammering the ends and mushing them over, creating a strong, flush pin. This will hold the handle firmly in place. Now that the handle is securely attached, I'm using a sander to smooth the wooden handle. This step will remove any rough edges and ensure a comfortable grip. Look at that. The handle is now perfectly smooth and shaped. But I'm going for a more rustic, durable look. So I'm going to take this a step further. I'm using a blowtorch to carefully char the wooden handle. This process, called shosugi ban, not only gives the wood a beautiful dark finish, but also makes it more resistant to water and insects. It adds character and increases the handle's longevity. I'm making sure to get an even char all around. With the handle nicely charred, I'm placing the knife back into the tray with some fresh Coca-Cola. I'm using the sandpaper again, this time to scrub the charred handle. This helps to clean off any loose soot and further refine the dark, weathered look we're aiming for. It also helps in cleaning any residual grim from the blade as well. Our magnificent, restored knife, from a rusty, neglected tool to a thing of beauty with a hand-crafted, durable handle. Now for the ultimate test. Let's see how sharp it is. I'm taking a piece of paper and... wow! It slices right through it with ease. This knife is incredibly sharp and ready for any task. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.